progress to grade 8, we use the word with the greatest of respect to you. This is what appears in the proceedings. Would you regard yourself as being illiterate? Yes. Sorry, standard 8, sorry.
Lokho ke ngikubuza ke noma ngikusho ke ngenkulu ke inhlonipho. Manje ngomuntu ke othi ke wafunda wayofika ke noma wafinyelela ke ku standard 8 wena uma uyibuka uzothi umuntu ongafundile. I did not do well at school, or yes. I did not pass. I wasn't passing well at school. Hence, my brother took me out and said, "Go to the mines because you are not doing well.
Yes.
You are struggling."
As I say, we understand education might be a privilege to Africans, but what we want to find out is, do you regard someone who has progressed up to standard 8 as being illiterate?
Siyayizwa inkulumo yakho, kodwa ke umbuzo uthi umuntu ofunde wafika ku standard 8 ingabe wena ngokwakho umthatha njengomuntu ongafundile loyo muntu loyo?
Yeah, umthatha njengomuntu ongafundile.
Yes, I would consider that person as being illiterate.
Ngoba ingqondo zethu azidwana. Yabona ke mina eyami ingqondo icabanga ngenkomo, eyakhe mhlawumbe icabanga ukuyojoja isifana.
Because as far as our minds are concerned, our minds are not the same. My mind would be thinking about going out to the field and heading the cattle. Your mind might be thinking about going to steal. So our minds are not the same, are not alike.
But do you agree that the meaning of illiterate means someone who cannot read or write?
Kodwa ke ingabe uyavuma yini masikhuluma ngalo legama ke lokungafuthi lokho kusho umuntu ongakwazi ukufunda nongakwazi ukubhala.
In other words, someone who hasn't been to school.
Amanye magama umuntu ongakaze nje albad esikolweni.
Asidaliwe ngokufana ingakho ngikuthi asidaliwe ngokufana.
We were not created the same. Hence I am bringing that to your attention, that we were not created the same.
Mina nginomalume ekhaya malume akasazi isikole ngendlela anemali ngayo udlula angazi malume azange aye esikole.
For an example, I've got an uncle back home. He has never set foot in school. But the manner in which he's so managed, I don't know how to say it.
Ingakho ngitshela phambi kwekhotho ukuthi kuyana nengqondo zomuntu. Ungahlakanipha uthi ingqondo mawungenawo uzongena phansi kwetafula. Kodwa mawuyisithutha ungqondo unawo uzohamba kwetafula.
Hence I am saying that it depends on your mind or on your brains. You can be so smart, but if your brains are not functioning well, then you will just walk underneath the table. But if you are someone who is not smart, but you are able to use your brains, then you'll walk on top of the table.
Let's get straight to the point. During the proceedings of 8 February 2024, page 42, lines 17 to 20, the following was said. We'll give you the page just now. You testified as follows. Then the two vehicles appeared, my lord. It was a white GTI. It was marked, although I cannot tell what that mark was. I am illiterate.
Fakazi bange 8 February 2024 uphendula ke ngalendlela wena kuphendula okhulumayo la waseqhamuka ke imoto ezimbili ngosenkantolo kwakuyi GTI emhlophe yayibhaliwe nanoma ke ngingakhumbuli noma ngisho ukuthi ke kwakubhalweni ngoba akufundile ndani ukhona anything wrong here?
Yes. So are you saying, in other words, are you saying that someone who has progressed up to up to standard 8 consider themselves illiterate? Is that what you are saying?
Kuyinkulumo yakho kuyinto eshoyo yini ukuthi umuntu ofunde waze wayofika ku standard 8 ukuthi loyo muntu lowo akafundile
kosenkantolo phambi kwakho ithi mina kuyelana nomuntu ungawufika grade 12.
But I repeat, I am saying that it all depends on a particular individual. You can go up to grade 12, but
kodwa ingqondo yakho mayingekho ngazi mayibeka mayingekho lapha phela ifike khona ezulwini nasesilungwini ngeke uze.
But if your mind, my lord, does not function according to how it is supposed to, or it's not at that particular level,
manje kwana umshushisi mina ngafe mhlambe muze khuluma izwi ngoba ethi nje ke mesawubona yabo mhlambe mase sikwazi ukukhuluma ngomphendula khona ngoba khona bazoshiyeka.
Because even now normally the prosecutor would greet me and say sawubona or greetings. But if we were to go ahead and proceed with the conversation, somewhere you'll be left behind.
You testify that you did not read the two confessions at issue in this matter, as you are not conversant in English, is that correct?
Kubufakazi bakho obethululeke phambi kwayo le nkantolo lena ushilo ukuthi ke itatimende lezi ezimbili zokugonyuluka awukaze uyifunde ngoba isingisi awusazi.
Yebo.
Yes, my lord.
Yet you were able to respond to questions of counsel directly without the intervention of an interpreter.
Kodwa ke ukwazi ukuthi ke uphendule imibuzo yommeli umbuzo ungekatolika nokutoliko.
Esengibuza umbuzo kangaka mhlambe lento engayizwisisa ukuthi umuntu lo uthini.
That would happen maybe after that question has been asked how many times. Maybe that would be something that I would then have heard for quite a number of times.
Usho ngiyabona phambi kwenkosi ngalokho ngibuza ukuthi mawuthi question uma sengazi ukuthi question ushiqonda ukuthini.
So do you want to say, or do you mean to say now, if the word question was to be repeatedly asked, I would now not understand as to what the word question means or refers to?
Well, let's put it to you this way, Baba Ntanzi. You can read and write, is that correct?
Asikusho kanjena mnumzana Ntanzi. Uyakwazi ukufunda, uyakwazi ukubhala.
Ukubhala
Right,
isizulu
what?
ngiyakwazi ukusibhala ngiyakwazi.
I'm able to write isiZulu and read it.
So you're saying it's only the English that you're not conversant in.
Uthi isingisi kuphela lesi ongasazi.
Nesitswana ngikwazi ukusibhala.
Even Setswana, I'm unable to write it.
Ngisho isisuthu ngikwazi ukusibhala, isichangana ngikwazi.
Even Sesotho and Xitsonga, I'm unable to write it.
Before we proceed, we just wish to draw your attention to what you said during the proceedings of 8 February 2024, page 76, line 12, accused 2. No, my lord, I was not familiar with the place. I only saw the writing on the board that it was Orlando. I just saw that writing and then I would keep quiet.
Indawo noma kuloko akufundayo lapha emshishini uthi cha ngosenkantolo mawuphendula wena cha ngosenkantolo indawo leyo ngangingayazi indawo kodwa ngabona nje umbhalo uthi Orlando.
So you were able to read the directional board.
Kodwa ke ibhodi le eshoyo ukuthi ke kuyiwa ngakuphi noma yiphi indawo ibhodi okwazi.
Mina nje ngesingaphambi kwakho ngafisa ngithi ngesizulu ngibuza ihlala.
According to me, I would just say that what you are asking me is something disgusting.
Ngoba number 1 igama lithi Orlando ligcwele umhlaba wonke njengoba nami team ePirates ngisupport ngibhaka.
Because the word Orlando is all over the country, and as an Orlando Pirates fan myself.
Number 2 Carltonville. Indlela engihamba everyday ngiyabona ukuthi la Carlton nemayini ibhale ithi Carlton.
Secondly, Carltonville, it's a route or a road that I travel regularly. So I'm able to see that here it's written Carltonville, and then it's mine
Ibhale nathi Carltonville.
as well as the mine, it's also written Carltonville.
Leli gama lamagama la engomeshina phambi kwekhothe engwafisa phambi kwekhothe. Kwawena nje bangathi ngicela ungichazele igama lithi Orlando ngesilungu ukuthi liqhuma ngeke uzongichaza.
Now the two words that I'm mentioning before the court, you yourself, if I were to ask to explain the word Orlando in English, you won't be able to do it.
Yes. Now, Mr. Ntanzi, we're going to take you through parts of the record in this regard, but we see that it's almost time for the long adjournment. Can we take the long adjournment at this point?
Yeah, fine.